What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the Mod Lab. Back in the lab today. I know it's been a minute. Today I wanted to show you something cool that's kind of new. I've seen a lot of people talk about it, but there is this new piece for right here. This is basically called like a front bumper molding, but they make a piece that's basically the same thing. It's the same GM part number and everything, except it's like carbon fiber. And this is it right here. Here's the part number for it. 15801-407. Alright guys, so when you get it out the box, this is what it looks like. Carbon fiber. And just looking at this, it looks like it just has two clips right here and two clips right here that clip it into the bumper. So it shouldn't be too hard to put in. I'd recommend, if you're going to do it, use one of these tools. I'd recommend, if you're going to replace it, use one of these tools. They're mainly for like taking door panels off and stuff like that, but they're plastic, so they won't really mess up the bumper too bad. Just gotta be careful. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one, and it shouldn't take me too long. Alright, so now that we got the old one out, if you take a look here on the bottom, they are both GM part numbers. You can see the part number right there on both of them, pretty much identical. Alright guys, time to pop in the new one. There you guys are, new one installed. Now if you can see in the video, it doesn't really sit flush. Like up here kind of there's a gap, and down here there's kind of a gap. So what I'll probably end up doing is getting some double-sided tape and pulling that part up so that way it sits flush. But that's how easy it is to install one. So like I said, it's $100. Amazon or eBay, you can get one. Figured I'd make this video because I see a lot of people talk about them, and just to make a video and show everybody how easy they are to install. Been waiting to do this video for a while because I wanted to put it on my car, but I really wanted to make a video of it. But that's going to do it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Peace.